Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. This is Ms. Tagreed, and today we have a reading lesson. It is about why fir tree keeps his leaves. So the title of our story is Why Fir Tree Keeps His Leaves. The genre of our lesson is a myth. Let's go to page 412 to discuss the genre in more details. Here it is. So it is a myth. What is the meaning of myth? It is a made up story. So it is not real story. It is made up story. It explains why things are the way they are. And also it has an important lesson or message. So at the end of our story, we have a lesson or a message. So we will keep reading till the end to find the lesson of our story. Back to our story. Yes. Listening time.
Long ago, in ancient times, Mother Nature gave each tree a different purpose. However, she did not share her reasons with the trees. Fir Tree had three friends: maple, oak, and elm. During the first summer, they saw bird and squirrel play in farmers' corn and tomato crops. The breeze blew and rustled their leaves. The shining sun warmed them. Then the first fall arrived. Farmer harvested what he had grown. Maple, oak, and elm's leaves turned beautiful shades of orange, red, and yellow. The leaves shone as golden as the sun. Fir Tree's leaves stayed green. Fir Tree complained to Mother Nature. "I don't like my leaves. I want them to change colors like my friends' leaves." "Be patient," Mother Nature replied. "You will learn your purpose."
Okay, so I will discuss that in more details. Long ago, in ancient times, the meaning of ancient, it means old. So in old times or in ancient times, because it is a myth, long ago in ancient times, Mother Nature gave each tree a different purpose. So the first character in our story is the Mother Nature. She gave each tree a different purpose, a different aim, okay? However, she did not share her reasons with the trees. So we have a purpose for each tree, but they don't know about that or about the reason. Fir tree had three friends, maple, oak, and elm. So we have four trees. They are fir tree, maple, oak, and elm trees. So now we have five characters. They are the Mother Nature, fir, maple, oak, and elm trees. During the first summer, they saw bird and squirrel play in farmers' corn and tomato crops. So what did they see? They saw bird and a squirrel play in farmers' corn and tomato crops. That was in summer. The breeze blew and rustled their leaves. The shining sun warmed them. We will go first to the meaning of crops. Here is, listen please.
Crops. The farmer grows crops of corn and wheat.
Yeah, so what is the meaning of crops? Here is the meaning. It is, or crops are large numbers of plants. So they are plants that are grown for food. The meaning of crops, plants that are grown for food. Back to our story. Yeah, so they saw bird and squirrel play in the farmer's corn and tomato crops. The breeze blew and rustled. So the breeze, it is a light, gentle wind. It blew and rustled their leaves. So what happened there? The breeze or the wind blew and rustled their leaves. What is the meaning of rustled?
Rustled. The leaves rustled in the wind.
Yeah, that is the meaning. Rustled means that it made a soft noisy as it was moved. So the meaning of rustled is the voice of the leaves while they are moving. That is the meaning of rustled. It made a soft noisy as it was moved. That is for the leaves. Okay, back to our story. The breeze blew and rustled their leaves. The shining sun warmed them, and also the shining sun warmed them. Let's go to the meaning of shining.
Shining. Bill and I were shining flashlights on the book so we could read it at night.
Yeah, that is the meaning of shining. Here is the meaning. So, if something is shining, it is giving out light. So, the meaning of shining is giving out light. So that was the view in summer. We have many crops, and the bird and the squirrel they played there, and also there is the breeze that blew and rustled their leaves, and also we have the shining sun that warmed them, warmed the crops, and also warmed the animals. Then the first fall arrived. It is time for fall. Farmer harvested what he had grown. Harvested means to gather in. So the farmer gathered in or harvested what had grown. They harvested the crops. Maple, oak, and elm's leaves turned beautiful shades of orange, red, and yellow. So what is the color now of the trees of maple, oak, and elm tree? They are orange, red, and yellow. The leaves shone as golden. What is the meaning of golden?
Golden. The golden sun shone in the blue sky.
Okay, so the meaning of golden, bright and yellow like gold. So golden is bright and yellow like gold. That is the meaning of it. Okay, so the leaves shone as golden as the sun. Fir trees' leaves stayed green. So what is the color of the fir tree? They stayed green. Okay. Fir tree complained. He expressed his discontent to Mother Nature. So he is sad. I do not like my leaves. I want them to change colors like my friends' leaves. What what does the fir tree want? She wants what or he wants to change the color of his leaves, okay? Be patient, Mother Nature replied. So she said, or she told him to be patient. You will learn your purpose. As we said at the beginning that we have a purpose for each tree, so she said for him, you will learn about your purpose. That was the first part of our lesson or our story. Then, or next week, we will discuss the next part. Have a nice day, my dear students, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you for your listening.